Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we'll be teaching you how to make homemade texapon, okay, or SLES. Homemade though, not the industrial one. So I've tried to research on how the industrial one is made, and I found out that yes, some of the ingredients used here are also included, but there are some extra ones. There are some other processes it go through that this homemade texapon do not go through, okay. So I will say this is exactly the same with the industrial. Come and do video for me. But there is a great similarity, okay. So as you've seen, we are using hot water to make this texapon, okay, and we've dissolved our sodium sulfate in this hot water. You make sure you mix it until everything has dissolved completely. And about the ingredients, the measurements, everything is listed on the board, so keep on watching, okay. So this video is in response to a lot of people that have been asking me to do this in texapon. I want to use this opportunity to say hi to Mr. DK. I think he asked about this video more than 10 times, so I had to just apologize and make up my mind to make this video. So Mr. DK, sorry for the delay. Here is the video, okay. So the next ingredient to go in is our SLS. I'm using the rice form of SLS. If you have the powder form, it will still work, okay. And another thing, this requires a little bit of stirring, okay. If you don't have this hand whisk, you can use your stick. If you have the mixing machine and you're making especially a large amount, it is more easier for you, okay. But eventually what I realized with this method is, so far as you're using hot water like this, after you mix it up for some time, you can actually close it up and leave it. It will eventually melt up. In case you are not so much interested in too much stirring, you can see this is after I've kept it for some time. This is how thick it became. I stirred. After some time, I covered it up so that it won't lose heat, and then kept it. Later on, when I went to pick it, it was already dissolved, and I kept stirring because there were some few ones that I had to keep on stirring to make sure they dissolve completely. You can see how thick it is and see how beautiful and creamy the color looks. Meanwhile, if you are new to our channel, you're welcome. If you're passing by, thanks for stopping by. If you're an old subscriber, hey guys, it's nice meeting you after a long break. Okay, after a long time, I've not made a video in a while. So in this channel, we teach about soap making. We teach about how to make a lot of household items and commodities that will be useful to you as an individual and to your family, okay. So let's continue. So this is our texapon after we've left it overnight. It has become very clear and very, very thick, as you can see. See how thick it is. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the way it's moving? See how thick it is, okay? I can add water to this, so I'll add a little bit more of water to it. You see how it is. You can see. You can see. You So to get that fluid consistency that Texapon has, I added about 300 mils of water to my 1073 mils of water earlier on, making a total of 1373 mils of water altogether. And as you can see, the texture is more smoother and more fluid now compared to the way it was before. You can see even as it is moving, it is still thick, but it is a bit runny. It is more smoother, okay, and more fluid. Guys, I'm having a wonderful feeling just turning this around. It feels like slime. It feels like something you can play with. Just see how beautiful, how clear, crystal clear it looks, okay? So this is our SLES after leaving it again overnight. You can see this texture is better. And the formulation for this I'll drop in our training class. But of course, you can see this looks exactly or similar to the commercial one. I won't say exactly, since there are some few ingredients that are missing, but this can be used. Okay, so this is it. I will show you a video of how the commercial one looks so that you compare and be the judge. So this is the commercial Texapon. You can see how it looks also. You can see how our own looks. Okay. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And don't forget to join us in our class on Telegram. Okay? Yeah, there are a lot of things you will learn, a lot of things you will benefit. We have many courses we are teaching, okay?